going to make a very healthy, nutritious and flavorful chicken soup recipe. It is a cream of chicken soup. If you like the recipe, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe the channel for more such easy and delicious recipes. Let's start. Heat 2 teaspoons of butter. Add in 4 to 5 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger peas roughly chopped. Saute it for few seconds. Now add 1 roughly chopped onion, 1 carrot roughly chopped, quarter cup of French beans, 1 cup of boneless chicken pieces, half teaspoon of black peppercorns, salt to taste, mix everything nicely. We are going to fry our chicken pieces for 1 to 2 minutes. Our chicken pieces are done. Now we are going to add 2 cups of water and cook our chicken pieces till they are soft. It is done. Now we are going to switch off the flame and let it cool down completely, and then grind it in a mixer grinder to a fine paste. Strain the paste with the help of a strainer so that we get a nice smooth and velvety soup. Switch on the flame. Now we are going to adjust the consistency of the soup by adding 1 cup of milk. Mix it and bring it to a boil. Add half cup of fresh cream. Mix it and bring it to a boil. Our soup is done. Now transfer it to a serving bowl. Cream of chicken soup is ready. Garnish it with some fresh cream and crushed black pepper.